Hey people, we're gonna do Karma Police by Radiohead. There's three parts to it. Karma Police, arrest this man. It toxic man. This is like a fridge. He's like a detuned radio. Part two. This is what you get. Does that two more times, and then it goes. This is what you get when you mess with us. C, B minor is the transition. The song ends. All right, so the intro and the verse, that's three times because there's two verses at the beginning. A minor, D, E minor, G. That's the basic pattern for the verse. But the second time, instead of playing A minor, D, E minor, G, we go A minor, F. E minor, G. So the second one we replace D with F. He talks and dances is what he says there. Then the third time we go A minor, D. Skip the E minor and we go to G. C, B note on the A string at the second fret. That's the transition to this is what you get. C, D, G, F sharp, just in the bass. You don't have to play F sharp chord. A minor, D, G, F sharp, C, B minor. And that's our transition to the final part. B minor, D, G, D, G, D, E minor. B, D, G, D, G, D, E minor. Now there is a lot of like walking bass and stuff you can incorporate into that, but you don't have to do that. It's better to learn this the basic way, and then you can, as you get more comfortable playing it, those bass runs will come naturally. Thanks for that request. Have fun. Bye.